from the Institute of Adult Learning. Welcome to IAL. This video will help you understand in detail about the practicum component of WTP. WTP? What is WTP? WTP refers to Workplace Trainer Program. It is a train-the-trainer program for in-house trainers who conduct training as a part of their secondary role. Practicum, as the word suggests, is synonymous to apprenticeship. The purpose of the program is for learners to apply the knowledge and skills that they learn in class back to their workplace. There's a range of deliverables which the learner can choose to do in order to complete the practicum. A few examples would be: 1. The learner can choose to do a facilitation session. 2. The learner can conduct a live and authentic assessment. Or 3. The learner can even choose to facilitate a training meeting back at their workplace. Any training related work can form a part of the practicum.
Essentially, there are three parties involved in a practicum. They are the learner, the IL practicum supervisor, and the practicum host coordinator. The first and the most important party is the learner. The learner needs to draft out a practicum plan and ensure that all the tasks and deliverables stated in the plan are completed within the stipulated time. The second party is the IL facilitator. During the practicum, this facilitator is known as the practicum supervisor. The supervisor observes the learner at his workplace, provides guidance based on observations made, and also conducts a final round of evaluation to assess the learner's ability to conduct workplace training or assessment. The third party is the organization, also known as the PHO or the Practicum Host Organization. You will need to appoint one person from the organization to coordinate between the learner and the IL Practicum Supervisor. You will also need to provide opportunities to the learner to carry out his practicum plan at the workplace. The practicum starts when the learner is graded competent for both the modules. The learner has a month to draft and complete the practicum plan. Upon completion of the practicum plan, the learner is expected to send it to the PHO coordinator, who in turn is expected to send it to the IL program manager. Besides the practicum plan, another important document for the WTP practicum is the practicum learning contract. The contract must be signed and agreed by all three parties before the commencement of the practicum. Upon approval of the practicum plan by IAL, the learner has 2 months to complete all the deliverables stated in the plan.
The practicum plan is a document that outlines the roles and responsibilities of each of the three parties. It's also a document that talks about the duration and the tasks that each party needs to complete.
Here is an example of the practicum plan. The practicum plan requires a total commitment of 20 hours from all three parties. The breakdown would be 13 hours from the learner, 4 hours from the IL practicum supervisor, and 3 hours from the PHO coordinator. IL would like to see a direct application of what was learned in class back at the workplace. However, if learners do not have enough opportunities, then other training-related work can be considered in the practicum plan.
For further inquiries, please call us on 6579-0300. Alternatively, you can email us at info@ial.edu.sg. Thank you, and we look forward to serving you here at IAL.